Morning. Now I have done the top coat on the first trailer arm. See, it looks very good. Also the inside. So now I will take the second trailer arm. And now I take the shockers from and then it can stay. So this have to dry a few hours before I can continue with 2K epoxy primer. But I have all my other parts. I got all my other parts today from Welding's sandblasting company in Larvik, Norway. Hey guys, today it's a sunny day again, quite nice temperature, so I'm starting up with the second shocker. So see, I took a little here, now I take the rest. So both of the shockers are done. I removed all what is rust on both sides. This is the left side. Rust-Oleum. And so next is prepare the sink spray 2K epoxy primer black. Hey guys, I had to weld down a portion here. I had to fill it out because it was a round up and I had to equalize it. So I've done it and can grind it down again. So the piece here was worn out and I welded the hole there. Was quite so deep, an oval form. So now I have to preserve it with sink spray and Rust-Oleum, and then it will never rust again afterwards. Hey guys, today I fixated the spring base for the springs and cleaned up the spot places where I will weld. I have to do also up here, and the marks are there, so I can soon start to weld it. So it's all set, it's secured. So I trying the first spot. So this is my match for the spoke. So it's done. Now it can dry out in a few hours and then I can go further on. Hey guys, today I'm starting up with Sprimax 2K epoxy primer, black. Hey guys, good morning. Have a nice Sunday today. The weather is okay again today. It was very rainy yesterday, but now it's okay. I I have two round holes, one here and one here to preform. So in here, in the bumper. So the holes are closed inside, here, inside, there, and on the upside, here and there. So it looks good. I just finish it again with paint and so on and so on. So I started for 108 point ampere and 21,2 volt and plus 3 heat and 3 millimeters. So it's done. I also grind it down and look if everything is okay after grinding. So I got penetration everywhere. So it's so far a good weld. Hello, today is number 2 of the bearing trailer arms. On turn, I grinded around the welding spots here and below, and also on the places here where getting clean weld. So the wine is, the water is shiny yet. So sorry. So setting the spring base back on place again in the right position, and take some precaution, 2 small screws to secure it on the place here and there. So they're ready to weld. Hey guys, I made a new patch in here to keep the gummy nut in place on the spot there. So I just started to weld it here, and now I continue with it. So it's done. I just have to grind it down again. So guys, I renewed this piece for the gummy nut for the shockers, and the feather comes in there. So I'm very pleased with the job I've done there. So to compare, this is top side and this original. So I think it's well done.